Hey friends, welcome to another review. I'm checking out this cold plunge tub, Luxebath 212-gallon ice bath here. Okay, so 9 psi. Let's see here. Just gonna plug this. Nice, very nice. And once again, we're just gonna lock this into our lid. Push this out of the way, put it in, and then turn it clockwise, 1/4 turn. 8 to 10 psi for the lid also. Okay, there we are. Push this in there. There we go. Dun dun. Also has these straps right here, so you can lock this down. It says it'll hold 200 pounds. I'm not 200 pounds. Yeah. I'm like 160-ish. So, very cool. This thing is actually really durable. Okay, and if you want to use it, pop those off. And this could just be, you let this swing down to the other side there if you wanted to, I guess. All right, so let's check out how big this thing is. This is actually really spacious. So that's all the way sitting on the bottom here. So pretty much just my head poking out. Yeah, two of me could fit in here pretty easily. I'd almost want like a little pillow. You could almost make this like a little hot tub too. If you would put some hot water in here or warm water, just throw it out on your back porch or something. Look up at the stars while you're kicking it in your little hot tub or ice bath. So very nice. All we have left, my friends, is to install the water plugs here, and that's just going to entail just screwing these on there. Okay. So I could use some, yeah, why don't we? Just in case. It came with some little plumber's tape here. It's always a good idea to use this stuff. Yeah, note to self, use scissors for that. Okay, and then we can just screw this in here. Has a nice little outlet there. Should just be able to screw this in. You just screw it in there. Okay. Oh, that's good. Plenty tight there. Maybe that goes on there. Nope. Okay. Anyways, yeah. So this thing is like super durable. It's like burly. It holds, I believe it holds 200 pounds because it held me no problem. Didn't have any indication that was like falling in or something like that. It's super big. The exact dimensions, 59 by 31 wide and 29 inches high there. So plenty of room. If you have a little pillow on the bottom, put your arms over the top, or just sit down and immerse yourself in all the way. So now for the fun part, we're gonna fill this up with water and try it out. Okay, here we go. I got some water in there, and yeah, this thing is good size. So trying to psych myself up to get in here. No way to just. There is. You just got run in, jump in. Yeah, do a backflip in. Get in the water. He can't even see you. Jump in. Yeah.
Breathe. Deep breath. Hands down, buddy.
Hands down.
Hands down. Rate it. Come on. How is it? How's the ice bath? How do you feel?
Is it cold?
It's not that bad.
It's like, all right, okay, all right. He's up.
Are you floating right now, or is your... No, keep your arm in. No, keep your arm in.
I mean, you can just sit here, like, I mean, if you put hot water in here, look, I'm like chilling, just like watching the stars now.
It's not that bad, huh?
It's nice.
Once you're in, it's just a mental game of like, how long was it cold for? Like 5 seconds?
5 seconds of torture.
Yeah.
It's actually nice.
Chilling.
You've been in there for at least 4 minutes.
Yeah, you've been in there for at least 4 minutes.
It's actually kinda nice now.
Yeah. Let's see, when you get out, your body's gonna burn.
My neck.
Just don't get any other part wet.
At the end, you have to dunk your head in.
My
too.
beard.
Yeah.
No, look, I'm swimming.
If you get your hair in, it's like really uncomfortable. Yeah.
This is like so spacious though. Look,
It's
my legs
really-
are
it's
like
really
all the way
spacious.
stretched out.
Yeah. Your legs are all the way out?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
That's like bigger than my
Yeah.
bathtub.
Yeah.
Dude. Get on out, buddy. It's time.
It's actually cold to get out.
I know. On 3. 1,
I don't want to get out now.
1, 2, 3. Pop up. Now
Where's my towel?
Step out. A wet dog. It's not that bad.